Okay, so you can see that we have gone short from the top here. Here's open position, and we had this consolidation which caused us to get short at a key level. So we're short already, and what you can notice is that here we see a very sharp divergence between price and the momentum indicator, and that allowed us to get into that short position prior to it actually dropping. So we can see also on a higher time frame as well, 1 hour, strong divergence, massive reversal bar, but we were able to get in right at the top, and as you can see, this is quite a big drop here. And you know, rather than getting in after the fact, if you can identify key levels, you can get in a lot earlier, and that's really what this trade was all about. So as you can see, we had a strong trend, but if you look to the left here, let's go back, and you can see this area of support from last week is holding. So that previous support has now become resistance, and that's why price is rejecting this zone right now. Notice that it was an area of consolidation for a strong period of time, just here rejecting these lows, and that caused us to stop where we are now. So as you can see, our short position is right from the top of the reversal, and it's possible that we come down to this area of support, which was also an area that price rejected recently. As you can see, lots of spike highs into that area. So price coming up into this zone, that could be a great place for price to come into. So brilliant trade. And so here's the final result of the trade. So as we can see, we rejected this high area, strong resistance because of the previous held support out of that consolidation. And sure enough, we have collapsed right down, and we are just coming down into this zone now where we expect price to find some support. So nice drop from our level. And that was simply because we learned to identify the key levels. We learned to identify where price was going to reject from. And as you can see, it was in this region at the top here. We always knew that this area was going to find a place where price was going to pause, make a decision, and then move in the opposite direction. And once we come down here, we will again look to see if price respects this level, and there could be a potential trade to the upside. So let's wait and see how the next part of this trade plays out. But as far as we're concerned, an incredible trade.